Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to fix error when you wanted to move cryptos from, for example, in my case, from Polygon to Sol inside Allbridge. That means sometimes there is Allbridge errors and you need to fix this. How to fix? You have some guide, but I will show you how is possible to get your cryptos. Okay, you need to submit transaction ID. How to find it? If you used Polygon, then you need to go inside your Metamask or wallet inside Brave. It is the same thing. And if this was your last activity and transaction, go to activity, contact interaction, and copy transaction ID. Then you will copy ID, connect wallet. Now you need to connect your destination wallet. Okay, in this case was a Sol token and Solana wallet, Phantom. And you need to click receive. I had about 0.5 Sol, and I will see that I will got my cryptos and transaction is pending. That means if you notice some error inside Allbridge, don't worry, you will get your crypto. Okay, transaction is pending. Sometimes because many people use this bridge, there are some errors, and I get transaction is successful. Solana is here. Okay, that means don't worry, you can use this bridge and everything will be fine. Just you need to, if you notice any error, in mostly cases I don't have these errors, but if you notice error, just go to receive, go to your Metamask, because when you moved cryptos from Polygon, your transaction interaction with smart contract will be inside Metamask. Okay, and just go to activity, copy ID, copy your transaction ID, enter here, copy paste here, connect wallet, connect your destination wallet, and you will get your cryptos. Okay, you will get your cryptos, and don't worry, this is safe. And of course I suggest always to use recent activity. You can see here, you can also see transaction details. 1 minute ago I received Sol, about 0.4 Sol, you can see here. Okay, fees are very small and you can see exactly how much I received. Okay, in video description will be all links how to move in general from different blockchains. I usually use to move cryptos from Polygon to Solana, but sometimes I notice this type of error, but everything is fine. You can fix it how I showed you. Thank you for watching. Bye.